Why that is 15, right? If you add these up, you get 15. And that's the maximal, right? F is 15. So when you add all this up, that's exactly what you get. You get 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, and 15. What's 15 in hex? F. Oh, so in F, you have in layer 2 broadcast is FF colon, FF colon, FF colon, right? We got, how many we got? What? Okay, 1, 2. I can't keep track. My eyes. I gotta look right here. How many do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got FF, 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 FF. Oops, and then one more. FF. All right. That's 2, 4, 8, 12, 16. There you go. That's it. That's it. It's just adding the bit values, separating them to 2, and this is what you see. Okay. So you can take any number, any numbers you feel like it. If you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and put those thousands and convert them. Just remember, you got to put every 4, that's 4 hex, because those bit values are 4. And you can't go above 15, right, for hex. So let's say in an IPv6, well, I'm just going to use a section of it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And you want to increment that? That's fine. Let's do that. Let's copy paste this. There's just a section. Let's say it's your subnetting section, right? You can do all zeros. This is hex values, 1. Let's say it's incremented by 1, 2, 4, 3, sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. All right. So we got then goes from 9. Then we go to A. We go to B. We go to C. We go to D. We go to E. And we go to F. So what happens? What if we have some more? Right? What's going to happen? Well, you've reached the maximum, which is F. So just like an IPv4, it resets this guy right here to 1, or it increments that guy to 1, resets itself to 0. If we're incremented by 1, then we start all over again. 1, 1, 1, 2. And it goes all the way, right, till you get to 0, 0, 1. What comes after that? 0, 0, 2, 0. And then you start to 1, to 2, to 3, to 4, and so forth. And that's how hex numbers work, okay? So you need to start getting familiarized with hexadecimal numbers. Definitely, this is going to be a lifesaver for you. When somebody gives you a CIDR and you need the dotted decimal notation, you know what's what, because a subnet mask is consecutive bits on, and also to help you with the math, but simple math. Oh, you got 2 consecutive bits. Oh, that's 192. So that'll help you with that. But definitely, the hex numbers, remember, they're in sections of 4. Okay, that's your IPv6 addressing. Each one is 2000. Whatever it is. It's in sections of 4. Each section is 16 bits, or each hex tech is 16 bits. So you need to know that. All right. So understanding how to do this conversion, it's important. You may get asked a straight up conversion question, or you're working in IPv6, you're subnetting, and you need to increment. You should know how to do that. And when you're looking at an IPv6 address, if it's like because you have different types of IPv6 addresses, right? You have your FF, which I just told you, 02, colon, let's say A for EIGRP. You may have an FE80, colon, I think that's just a /10 right there, and there's no 2 on it. It's a big number at the end to generate to the EUR64, but there's not the class for that. But an FE80, let's say, there's nothing after that besides a long number. All right, well, let's put it like, so we actually configured one. We can do that. FE80, anything that's FE80 is linked local. You have your FD 00, colon, 1. That's a unicast address. So you need to be familiarized looking at IPv6 addresses. It could be as simple as 2001, looking at a global unicast address, okay? But you need to be familiar with it. So when you do, because right now, if you were to do a show IPv6, the majority of us, well, I'm going to say hopefully a good portion of us, that go to our command prompt and do an IP config, we will see by default IPv6 addresses. So it shouldn't be like, what is this? It should be something you should be familiar with, okay? And that's what the new book that I'm creating, I put IPv6 in the front and not in the back. I put IPv4 in the back, because IPv4, it's over. So we need to know this. But in order to be able to be comfortable with this, these are hex numbers and your subnetting and all these things and conversions, you need to know your hex tables, your bit values, and how to convert them. Okay? Play with it. Pick numbers, pick hex numbers. Okay, again, use your MAC address. Make it up. All right? Make it up. And then use your calculator to see if you're correct or not. Cool? Leave your comments. Let me know if this helped you. I need to know. And if you're having issues, where exactly are you having an issue? Okay? And yes, I did put a typo. It's not 129, it's 128. For those of you that are not going to comment, hey man, you put 129. All right? So let me know. All right? Let me know, because you really do need to be comfortable doing